All right, so to make this short and sweet, we won again, this time at the Texas Supreme Court level. So we'll get into that in a second. I got a ton of people I got to thank as usual and give you guys a little bit more updates on what's going on. But first off, I can't thank our legal team enough. These guys are just amazing all-stars. That's literally what we call them now, is the all-star team. They're winning everything that comes up. So again, just absolutely incredible group of lawyers. David Sergi, Scott Field, Katie Frank, Andrea Steele, and Rod Kite. Those are the main five. They also have, each one of them has a team of attorneys they work with in their own firms, and they're all absolutely incredible. I wanted to thank all of our donors that's helped this fight. We've got a bunch of companies putting in a lot of money. The largest is Chris Wheeler and Delta Extracts, who's up to, I think, $75,000 at this point. Ali Shikani in Vape City is also committed now to donate to our suit. He had his own lawsuit, and now he's going to be donating to our lawsuit as well. Can't thank them enough, and they're amazing, and he's an awesome guy. So we've got a list of donors on our website, and there will be a link in the description. If you have donated and we don't have your correct information on there, don't have you on there, have the wrong amount, please let us know immediately. We're working on getting all the most recent donor information and getting it updated in the next 24 hours. So that is in process right now. Also, please support the companies that are donating to this fight. These are people that are putting their money on the line to make this happen for all of us in Texas. Please, please, please support them. Also, if you are in Texas and doing business in the Delta-8 space, even if you're an out-of-state company, get off your ass and help us. This is a very, very expensive case. We just paid $90,000 in legal bills today. And that's for, if I'm not mistaken, about 30 to 45 days worth of legal support from our team. We've got a dozen lawyers on this, and this is why this is happening. So please support us. Please help us. We're in this as far as we can go, but we do need help. Our company just can't afford to take this on all by ourselves. It's very expensive. Texas Hemp Federation and Jay McGuire have been extremely busy coordinating the industry and bringing everybody together, running a lot of stuff behind the scenes, and also contributing and helping with the lawsuit themselves. So I can't thank Jay McGuire and the Texas Hemp Federation enough. Please donate to them as well. You can donate via credit card to their website, texashempfederation.com. They've got a checkout portal there where you can simply donate via credit card. It makes it really simple. For the most part, all the money goes to the same place, and they're contributing and making this happen as well. So I can't thank them enough. So what actually happened? So I'm going to read from my notes right now because some of this gets a little bit complicated. The state of Texas tried to take our case to the state Supreme Court in the hopes that they would find in favor of the state and overturn our injunction, which kept Delta-8 legal. I believe this may have been their best shot at winning this case, and I'm sure they knew that as well, and they just lost. So this is huge for us. This was literally, in my opinion, and some of the attorneys have mentioned it, but this was the best chance that Texas had at winning this case, was taking the Supreme Court. And they just found in our favor. So this is a massive deal. So where are we now? This case is now going to go back to the appellate court, which is where we were. And it's going to go back to the appellate court now and probably take quite some time while the appellate system, the appellate judges kind of go through this and figure out what to do with it. At that point, if we win in the appellate court, which should be, we're guessing 6 to 12 months out, it'll go back to normal court at that point, and then it will continue on from there. So we're still kind of very much in the sort of, first quarter, if you want to call it like a football game. We're still very much in the first quarter of this thing, but luckily the game is going to last quite a long time. The trial court's temporary injunction remains in place, and Delta-8 is still fully legal in Texas. We're also still at the appellate court level and is expected to continue on there for some time. This is a huge win for Texas businesses, Texas veterans, and Texans looking for medicinal relief from products that they can easily acquire. This is so groundbreaking in terms of what Texas is and what it is as a state. Let's not kid ourselves. There is a medicinal program in Texas, but it doesn't serve everybody. It's very limited. It's very expensive. And it's unfortunate that that's sort of the extent of what the medicinal program is in Texas. The medicinal program in Texas is so bad that most websites that list medicinal programs don't even list Texas as having a medicinal program. So it's unfortunate, but this is truly serving the people of Texas and the people that are looking to cannabis to resolve their medical issues. This is huge. This is a really big deal. The amount of testimonials we're getting out of the VFW, which, by the way, thank you so much to those guys, the Veteran of Foreign Wars of Texas. They're incredible. We just donated a bunch of money to those guys and absolutely love them. They're awesome. But the testimonials we're getting from veterans right now are insane in what these products are doing for them and doing for their lives, and helping them get back to normal and not have to take tons of pharmaceutical products where if you take one of them, you now have to take another pill to counteract the side effects of that pill. It's madness. It's complete madness. And I don't think a lot of us understand what these guys are going through. I know the stores do. The stores, you hear it firsthand. You talk to these people firsthand. You get it. But those of us that don't have continual interaction with these customers and the veterans and some of the people going through chronic pain and all these issues, it's really life-changing what these products can do for them. Thank you for your support as always. Happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas, and have a wonderful end of year. This is the best possible thing that could have happened at the end of this year, and we're very much looking forward to continuing this fight on to next year. But for the time being, thank you. Thank you for your support. Love you guys to death. Have a wonderful year. Take care.